चलने मैंने क्या আসছে না ও দিদি Guys, I'm out today for some work actually, and मैंने सोचा कुछ vlogging ही हो जाए. Actually, I'm going towards the Yamaha showroom because I just got the news that the latest MT-15 V2 is already here, and by the time you will watch this vlog, the vlog for the MT-15 will already be streaming into my channel. So go to the description box to watch the entire video. By the way, this is Postal Manager. You are watching Automania. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania for exclusive automotive updates like these. And yes, don't forget to press the bell notification icon so that you get the updates immediately after we have uploaded any kind of videos. And I can see Harley Davidson street rod. A man without the helmet is riding that kind of powerful machine. कोई नहीं चलता है भाई, इंडिया है यहाँ सब चलता है. This time we had a reaction video, guys, and if you have not watched it, go to the description box. You can watch the crazy reactions that this bike gets. This bike gets some crazy reaction, guys. The exhaust is too loud, the good say works. And if you like that video, yes, do press the like button and let me know so that I know that you like those videos and I can make more reaction videos like that video. Okay. नो टाइम गाइस, समझ में आता ही नहीं कि 140 चला गया. जहाँ पे मैं जा रहा हूँ उसके लिए हाईवे जाने के लिए बस इतना ही छोटा, मतलब वहाँ पे जाने के लिए बस इतना ही छोटा हाईवे पार्ट पड़ता है क्योंकि बाद में आई नीड टू टेक द सर्विस रोड. Turn the red to find out what the hell is coming. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Fuel काफी गिर गया है from the last ride, the reaction vlog. Tank was full that time, by the way. There is no other way out, guys. I have to take this wrong side, otherwise I have to take a detour of 5 to 6 kilometers. That's the worst part. And whenever I'm seeing this big traffic in front of me, I am just stopping by the side. That's the only thing I can do. that's Niyogi Yamaha, and let's go and have a chat and see what happens. The shoot for the MT-15, that was a raw, unedited and direct footage of what I shoot. I didn't bring my camera, it was just the GoPro and me, and whatever knowledge I had about the motorcycle, whatever things I know about, whatever I researched about that bike, that was just raw one. The ride review will be streaming, or maybe already there in my channel. I'm not sure if that will be uploaded by this time. Okay, cops. Okay, let's not rev. Shit. Oh, my camera is in narrow mode, that's why I don't think so you can see anything. I'll just shift to the ultra wide mode and get back to you. Okay, I'm back with the wide mode. Just look at the difference. It's the ultra wide mode. Just look at it, how much wide is this compared to just last footage. I have to go in the right direction. 1 second. Okay. Kid was so happy to look at this motorcycle. That makes me smile. That reminds me of my childhood. Even I used to, look at bikes like that and show my mother or father who was there with me, that look at that bike, mom, this is so cute, that's so beautiful. I would want a bike like that when I grow up and all. Drop in your stories, guys. What did you do? Like, I'm sure if you are a bike fanatic, you did exactly the same thing. Good to see people wearing double helmets. यहाँ तो लोग एक भी नहीं पहनते, वो देखो उस साइड से गया एक भी नहीं था. And this couple was wearing 2 helmets. Very good to see. Means like felt really good. I feel my rear tire is going off. Means just a matter of time that it needs replacement, guys. My god, I wanted to refuel. What's going on there? Oh Jesus, why so crowded? God knows, I have no idea. Okay, that's totally stripped down R15. Anyways, I don't know what was going on with fuel, because yesterday also I heard there were huge queues for in the fueling station, and now also is the same thing. So I don't know, in this petrol bunk I don't know what's the real issue. Let me go and check another fuel station. Just now there was another fuel station just beside the Yamaha showroom, but I didn't go there. I don't know what's the condition over there, but I'll just check on another fuel station and see if it's the same thing over there. She is happy. is no fuel over here. God knows what's the issue. I'll try another fuel station. Oh boy, this is fun. पेट्रोल नहीं मिल रहा है वहाँ पे कहीं भी, लेकिन सुनने में आया कि पेट्रोल का शॉर्टेज चल रहा है. आई डोंट नो इसका मतलब क्या है, पेट्रोल शॉर्टेज कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ, आई हैव नो आइडिया. पर पेट्रोल कहीं भी अवेलेबल नहीं है. 2 पेट्रोल पंप मैंने चेक किया, दोनों बंद थे. एक में बहुत ही ज़्यादा भीड़ था. एंड लेट्स सी, आई डोंट नो, क्योंकि मेरा कार में भी रिफ्यूलिंग कराना है. दिस बाइक इज़ ऑल्सो रनिंग लो ऑन फ्यूल. बस 3 ही डंडे बाकी है. इसका मतलब इट्स रनिंग वेरी लो. एक्चुअली आई नेवर कीप माई मोटरसाइकिल्स ऑन द लो फ्यूल. हमेशा बहुत ही रेयर होता है कि दो लाइन्स आ गए एंड आई एम स्टिल राइडिंग. आई विल ऑलवेज बी रिफ्यूलिंग बिफोर हाफ टैंक. And 90% of the time and 90% of the tank will be full in my motorcycle. That is how I am. What about fuel? Is it available here? I don't think so. Let me go and ask. কি হচ্ছে গো, কোথাও পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না? কোথাও পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না কেন? ওখানে প্রচুর ভিড়. তেল নেই মানে কি আসছে না? তেল আসছে না? কটার সময়? So they said that they're refueling. Okay, but how is it every petrol bunk is in this situation? So there is no fuel available here. They said to come after 2. The time is 12:15 now. So anyways, I'll see क्या होता है, फ्यूल मिलता है कि नहीं later on. But as of now फ्यूल नहीं मिला and let's see what happens. Anyways, that brings me to the end of this episode of Automania. And इस बाज़ार में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा रिएक्शन आएगा. एक्चुअली मैं यहाँ पे रोज़ आता हूँ, सो नथिंग स्पेशल. ओके yes guys, that brings me to the end of this episode of Automania. And if you like what we are doing, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And do support us, show your love. Don't forget to press the bell notification icon so that you get the updates immediately after we have uploaded any kind of videos. And as I always say, wear helmets when you're riding, wear your seat belts while driving. And 1 second, okay, my bike is overheating. And never drink and drive. Oh Didi. This is Manaji. You are watching Automania, signing off. Ta-da.